Hey guys, we're back again, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to import your own plugins into FL Studio. Today we're going to be importing an effect plugin called Span, and I'll leave the download link in the description. It's a nice plugin, definitely helps. I've used it in a few of my mixes, Origami being one of them. I'll also link to how that sounded. First thing you do is you go to Add, and then after you've installed it to whatever folder, you can click Refresh Plugin List for a fast scan. If it already went to, if the install path already installed it in one of the known folders, which I believe are Steinberg and VST3, then it should pop up here as new. That's how it did for me. If you are installing it to a previously unmade folder or a new folder, then you're going to have to go to Add, Manage Plugins, and then you're going to have to click Find More Plugins. If it doesn't find the plugins there, I'll cancel it for now. You have to create a new folder. So you click the little plus folder icon, find whatever file, and then it's going to scan that folder for plugins. In this case, now that I have it open, I should be able to just drag and drop it straight on. So now I see Span, turn it up and down, turn it off. And here it is. If I were to play audio, this would be a working effect. It has all of its presets. There we go. Now, one thing that can sometimes come as a shock is that it doesn't automatically place it with the rest of your plugins. Naturally, you have to go and add this yourself. So, to show you how to do this, first you open it up, and then you make editor thumbnail. So that takes a quick picture of how it's going to look for you so that you'll be able to open it up later. Then you got to navigate to where you want the plugin to be saved. So for me, I'm going to add this to my VST. Let me open up the effects rack actually. I'll put this in miscellaneous for now. Then you click Add to Plugin Database, flag as favorite. Span will be added to the subcategory. Span will be added to the subcategory and miscellaneous. Press OK. Now, if you were to delete this, open it back up. If you look in the miscellaneous, which is right here, you'll see Span is ready to be loaded. It's as simple as that.